Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about Tourette's syndrome, a bit like a brain game where your body sometimes makes unexpected moves. It can be tricky, but don't worry, we're going to learn how to embrace this and keep things fun. What is Tourette's? Imagine you're trying to hold onto a balloon, but it keeps popping out of your fingers. That's kind of like Tourette's. Your brain sends out signals that make your body do things you don't always mean to do. These are called tics, and they can be sounds, movements, or even both. Tics come in all shapes and sizes. Vocal tics, saying things like meow, aha, or even silly phrases. Motor tics, blinking, shrugging, jumping, or making funny faces. Or both. Sometimes it's a mix of both, like saying a funny word while doing a silly dance. Why do words matter? Some tics can include words that are hurtful or offensive, like racist or sexual slurs. These words can really hurt people, even if you don't mean to say them. It's like throwing a rotten tomato. It might feel fun at the moment, but it leaves a bad mess to clean up. So what are the consequences of these slurs? Using these words can have serious consequences. Saying these things at school means that you could get suspended or even asked to leave permanently. Your friends might not want to hang out with you if you use hurtful words. Especially if they're getting in trouble for hanging around with you. Or even worse, copying you. In the UK, saying racist or homophobic slurs is actually illegal, and you could be fined or even arrested. It's one of the recognized hate crimes. So how can you stay cool with tics? Remember, tics are just your brain doing its thing. Here are some ways to keep cool when tics hit. Take a deep breath. This can help you calm down and control your tics. Distract yourself. Do something you enjoy, like playing a game or listening to music. Talk to someone. Tell a trusted adult about your tics and how they're making you feel. There are plenty of resources online that can give more information. Tourette's Action UK has a great website. Give it a look. Just Google it. Always remember something very important. Tourette's is a part of you, but it doesn't define who you are. You can be strong, funny, and awesome, even with tics and without getting in trouble. Thanks for joining me on this journey about Tourette's. Remember, you're not alone, and there's always someone to help you keep things fun and respectful. Now, go out there and show the world what you're made of.